Okay, so in today's activities, we're going to be practicing our 2-digit times 1-digit column method, okay, short multiplication. If you haven't watched the lesson video for today yet, make sure you go watch that first and then come back to this worksheet tutorial. Okay, so we've got here 53 times 2, right? So we always start with the units place, right? So we have 4 times 3 equals 12. So we remember that the units stay down and the tens get regrouped. So here we've got 2 stays down and the 1 gets regrouped. Okay, so the next number we have is 5 in the tens place. So we've got 5 times 3, which equals 15, plus the number we just carried over equals 16. Okay, and that's where we write 16. So if you need more examples, make sure you watch the lesson video first, okay? So in number 1, you're going to answer these questions as usual. Okay, but in number 2, you need to solve these word problems. So remember, in word problems, we always want to figure out the numbers that are involved first and what they want us to do with those numbers. So on a farm, 6 lambs were born every day over 25 days. How many lambs were born in total? So it's telling us that 6 lambs were born every day over 25 days. So over the 25 days, 6 lambs were born each of those days. So it's 25 groups of 6, right? You're going to write it in the correct place value in the correct columns. There, okay? You can look up here for examples of how to do that. Okay, on this next page, it's just a whole bunch of practice problems, okay? So remember, you always need to regroup, okay? Okay, so we've got 4 times 4, which equals 16. So the units stay down and the 10 gets carried. And then we've got 2 times 4, which equals 8, plus the 1 equals 9. Okay, so go ahead and finish the rest of these problems.